Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Another attempt will be made to secure bail for former Stocks and Securities Limited SSL wealth advisor Jean Ann Panton. Attorney Sylvester Hemmings indicated his intention during a case management hearing in the Supreme Court this morning. Raquel Porter has the details.
Justice Simone Wolf-Rees, however, directed the renewed bail application to be made in writing. She ordered the defense to file its submissions by the end of September, with the Crown to respond by the end of October. Ms. Panton was denied bail in February 2023 by Justice Lorna Shelley Williams, who cited the seriousness of the offences. In April 2023, her attorney filed an affidavit in support of a renewed bail application in which Ms. Panton claimed she had suffered a stroke and at least 2 seizures while in custody. The application was refused by Justice Vinette Graham Allen after the medical officer who examined her reported that he found nothing to indicate that she had suffered a stroke while in custody. A February 1 trial date has now been set for Ms. Panton after the original May trial date was vacated. A trial readiness hearing has also been scheduled for December 10. Ms. Panton has been in custody since February 2023. During the hearing, Mr. Hemmings raised concerns about conditions at the Women's Correctional Facility where his client is being held. He said prison authorities had suspended the practice of allowing relatives to bring food for inmates. Mr. Hemmings argued that the development has adversely affected Ms. Panton, who, he said, suffers from a deteriorating medical condition that requires a special diet previously supplied by her family. According to him, he would not give his cats what he saw her eating when he visited her. Justice Simone Wolf-Rees asked whether he had engaged the prison authorities to determine the reason for the policy and whether any accommodation could be made for his client. Mr. Hemmings said he had not yet done so. She's facing a 22-count indictment charging her with forgery, larceny as a servant, and engaging in a transaction involving criminal property. Jamaican sprint legend Usain Bolt is among several clients reported significant losses from their investment accounts. An account held in the name Wellgen Limited, a company owned by Mr. Bolt, reportedly declined from approximately $2 billion in October 2022 to about $1.8 million by the time the fraud was uncovered. Raquel Porter, reporting for TVJ News.